I'm playing with my friend. It's Angel, and we're collabing. We really have made videos, so let's just get started. I picked this side. I really want this side. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, damn. I'm gonna pick the color pink one. Oh, damn. I'm gonna pick this guy's favorite color. It's blue, and why did you copy my name, huh, Fanny? Why? Press the button! Oh no. Hell no. You mean CB, it's Angel, no, okay. Oh my god. I gotta avoid the spikes, because it says right there. Oh my god. Where is it, Angel? Where are you, bestie? It's Angel. Where are you? Where are you? Angel is gone. I'm really sad of Angel. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. Okay, I think it's gone. I hurt myself. Okay, I think... Oh my god. Where is it, Angel? Hi, it's Angel. Dino. What the heck is it? Oh my god, it's Angel, what the heck? I'm a dinosaur. A really weird looking dinosaur. The most amount of candy. Oh yeah. There's like a... Yeah. I got one. Okay, there's one right here. There's one right here. There's one right here. I got 3 candies now. I got 3 candies. Stop it, it's Angel. You keep turning tiny. Why do I want us to be here? I gotta find one more. Definitely not there. Oh my god, oh my god. Nice, I got more candy. Pizza? What the heck is pizza? Okay, I think it's enough. Is there only 4? Oh my god, I need a. Aw, dang. What the fuck? I mean, I'm sorry, catch the presents. Where? In the sky? I don't wanna be a dinosaur. Okay, nice. I'm not a dinosaur anymore. Reach the mountaintop. Right after you need to reach the mountaintop. Oh my god. Why do I keep dying, dude? Why do I keep eating? Is not my thing. Is not my thing, guys. Okay? It's not my thing. shit. Dude, I'm not even trying. Go. It's low. What? Get on the correct color. Oh my god. Did I just die? Did I just... This isn't right. Where that's Angel? She left. She literally just left. She left. So I don't play anymore. I'm just gonna keep playing until I don't want to. Think of it. It's kind of sad. Okay, we're going right here. Okay, let me just try that. Okay, doing more sense. Okay. Easter eggs. Okay guys, this is gonna get loads harder, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Goodbye guys.